Hey, check it out. I'm so excited. I kind of feel like a little kid again because look at this. Yes, it's my new e-scooter, my electric scooter. I'm so excited. This thing is legit. This box is super heavy. That means it's got some good power and some good battery power in there too. So as you can see, I'm just getting everything out, just cutting the zip ties, and I'm gonna pull each piece out. There's only really 3 pieces I have to do. So check back 1 second. I'm gonna get it ready. Hey, what's up? I'm so excited because we put the scooter together. It was so easy, no problem. And I am so excited to ride this. I'm gonna go play some pickleball. Got my backpack on. This comes with the basket, which is great. I actually throw my keys in there when you're not using it. It's got plenty of room for a little mini speaker I was thinking about. Your phone, wallet, everything you need in there. It has the keys right here. Let me show you. All you do is just put your keys in here and you turn it to on. And then when you do that, if you want to see the LCD display, it will show you how charged the battery is. So it only took 4 hours to charge the battery totally, and it has different modes. So I wanted to show you, right here it says 3, 1, 2, 3, and that is the speed limiter. So if you're just a beginner or you're younger, you would definitely want to keep it on 1 because it will only max the speed out. So 10 miles per hour, then you go 15, and it goes higher than that. So anyway, that's really important there. And the brakes are really good, and it has the kickstand right here too. So you can see, I could just leave it here. It works totally fine, right? So here, just kick it back. On the seat was really easy to adjust. When I'm on a scooter, I kind of like it lower, so I'm just like cruising. But obviously, all you have to do is pull this out, adjust it. It could go as high or low as you want. So here we go here, and to make it go, all you do is twist this right here. And I have it on the second one, and we are off. So the brakes work great, and you are done. How fun is that? So anyway, this thing is awesome. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this in our neighborhood, and going playing tennis, going to play pickleball, going around, just having a blast on here. So anyway, I don't know what else to say. This thing is awesome. It's a great value.